Hi kids, it's Miss Lauren, and I bet you are so excited to go back to school. Something tells me your mom or dad might be even more excited for you to go back to school. But before we can go to school, we have to pack our backpack. So I thought it would be fun if Drakey and I showed you what's in our backpacks. Does that sound good, Drakey? Would you want to do that?
Yeah, let's do it.
Amazing. So I'll go and then Drakey will go. I have a glue stick. Glue sticks are great because they help us with really fun crafts. And this is one of the fun ones that's purple. Drakey, what's in your backpack?
I have a big box of crayons.
Oh, cool, to color. Yes, you need crayons. That's a great one. Okay, let's see what else I have. I have, oh, this is a good one, hand sanitizer. Because there's a lot of germs in schools sometimes. So we have to make sure we wash our hands or use hand sanitizer. It's good to have. Drakey, what else do you have?
I have a cool box of tissues.
Oh my goodness. Did your teacher ask you to bring that in?
Yeah.
That makes sense. Sometimes tissues is on the back to school supply list. All right, I'm gonna do one more. Let's see what else I have. Oh my gosh, I have my headphones. I forgot. I have to bring my headphones to school because we have tablets that we use for different activities. So these are good because then none of my other classmates can hear what I'm listening to. Drakey, what's the last thing in your bag?
My notebook.
Of course. Everybody needs a notebook. You're going to be writing so many different things, learning your letters, writing your name, and you need something to do that on. There are lots of fun school supplies that aren't even in our backpacks, right, Drakey?
That's right.
Yeah, because we only showed you 3 things each. But Drakey, what is your most favorite school supply that's not in your backpack?
Markers.
Oh, duh. Markers. I love markers too. Back to school is such an exciting time. Get ready to pack your backpack and tell us what's in yours. Bye, kids.